Hey everyone, it's Donna, and coming to you from Upper Michigan. I am doing an unboxing of a product called Norwex. It's something that I've had my eye on for a while. My best friend started selling this, and I decided I'd go ahead and try it too. Because, number one, where I grew up in that area, you never see it anywhere. This product's been around for about over 25 years. And um, it removes 99.9% of bacteria just by using water. We use too many chemicals. Um, on a daily basis, we are poisoning our bodies. So I decided, because number one, we have COVID around and I'm spraying things everywhere and I'm sick of these chemicals in my house, I decided that I was going to take a different approach and clean a different way. So I'm going to do an unboxing and show you my consultant unboxing kit. Then I'm going to do another video and show you I got the gold package. I'm going to show you what was in that box. And you have to pay a little bit more, but you get a lot more products. So, but in the starter kit, you get a lot of stuff. So I've got a lot of the things sitting here, and I got it that was in one box. I've got the other stuff over here. So hang on to your horses. We're getting ready to get started. So I'm going to start with this. Okay, this is something my granddaughter loves. It is a towel hanger. It has the back lock in it. When you wipe your hands, the child washes their hands. They can just hang that on the hook in their bathroom, rub their hands on it, and they are removing a lot of bacteria that would normally be on their hands. Plus, it makes it fun to wipe their hands off and get them clean and dry, especially when coming home from school, which we will be having a lot of flu and things coming through again. The next thing they sent me was this rubber brush. And this thing is super cool because you can use this brush to remove from your couches pet fur, cat, dog fur. You can also use it on something that I'm getting ready to hold up here. These dusting mitts. After you dust, you can go like this, remove the dust, and then just use it again as you're dusting. The dusting mitts are super cool because you just put it on your hand and you dust. Now this one's the graphite one they sent me. And they also sent me, I think, a blue one. They have several different colors in these. Very cute. You can put one on each hand and just dust around the house. And then all you have to do is wash it and then just put it in a dryer. Do not use dryer sheets on these products. I want to tell you that right now. Because what you do is the chemicals get into the uh, microfibers, and also you wash these things without other towels, because then what would happen is if you get this onto your towel, it gets into the microfibers, it destroys it. So you want to wash all of your Norwex together, or maybe wash them with sheets. Sheets are a safe product to wash them with, but no dryer sheets. Okay. Um, this is the EnviroCloth that everybody talks about, and I have one open right here. I'll show it to you, and they're both graphite. They have several colors in it, but this cloth, it has the silver in it. It has the back lock in it. When you go through your kitchen and you're cleaning just with water, you wipe things down, okay? Then you rinse it out. After you're done, you turn the surface several different ways. You can use this towel up to 5 times, turning it inside out, using all the different sides. When you're done, you rinse it, squeeze it, you hang it up to dry by this tag. There's a tag on this thing for a reason. It also tells you on the tag which cloth it is, like it says Enviro on this one. So you would know that this is the one for this. And a lot of women, what they'll do is they'll have a different Enviro towel, because this you can use this in your bathroom. Hang it up. It's sanitary. When it dries completely, the silver purifies this towel. But a lot of women, are, including me, are squeamish. You don't want to use a towel and then go into your kitchen and clean. So if you have a different towel, maybe in a different color for each bathroom, then you can hang this up and you know that this is your bathroom towel, and you clean. Rinse it out, sterilize. Once a week, I would throw it in the washer, and there you go. Voila, they're clean. This towel goes with this towel. And I like to call this thing because I heard a consultant talking about this. She calls it the Elvis Presley because she says the Enviro cloth, it kind of links them together, goes with the purple cloth, which is the window cloth. The E from Enviro, the P for purple, and this is your window cloth. So there's a little thing, and I may try it and do a video on it, where you take butter, you put it on a window, you take water, put it on your Enviro cloth, you wash it off, and you dry it, and it takes off all the smear, makes your windows beautiful. Beautiful, because I have this already at my house. They also sent me some Norwex napkins, and I'm going to use these outside when doing outside entertaining. And I think how many are in there? I think there's 4 in this little packet that they sent me. They sent me some fruit and vegetable bags. And after they have a product to wash your vegetables, because I have to tell you guys something. I've been in different grocery stores in the last 2 months, and 3 times I have seen grown women touching grapes. I heard one woman last week say to her elderly mother, who was like 80, she said, this woman was in her 60s, she said, I like these grapes, but I like to taste them before I try them or I buy them. And the mother says, go ahead and open it up and get some out and eat them. And I thought, we're all walking around with masks on, and she's reaching into this bag and she's grabbing these things out. And so I'm washing my fruit and vegetables. I'm being very careful and kind of not even buying anything unless it's packaged. I want it packaged where people can get their hands in. But once you get home, you can put these in these little bags to keep them clean and fresh. And these are washable too. They'll be around for a long time. They also sent me this, and this is their laundry detergent. And what happens with regular laundry detergent is they add a lot of fillers to their detergents. So you get all this gunk that's riding around in your clothing. This is 100, you can get 100 washes out of this. Takes a very small amount, makes your clothes amazing, nice and clean, and you don't have all the fillers in your clothing. So thought that was pretty cool. They also sent me, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a Spirus sponge, maybe? But these are just your basic pot cleaner type of sponges, the scouring pads. There's 2 of them in the box. Show you that. They also sent me the coil. These are cleaners. And this is called and sometimes these are hard to find, a Spirinet. Okay, let me show you the front of the box if I tortured it. Okay. But these are nice to have too. Then they sent me a facial mitt, and this is for exfoliation, semi-rough, but it would remove a lot of dead skin cells. And then it's smooth on the other side. I'll have to look that up to see how to operate that completely. So then we're going to the next box. Okay, and this thing was huge. This box was huge. The first thing I noticed that they sent me, and I was like really surprised, they sent me 2 of these. These are the Norwex face mask. Let's see here. It's got the little tag in there. Isn't that cute? I thought that was sweet of them to do that. So I'll be using these this coming year. They also sent me a small trial size, let me put that out of the way, of the cleaning paste. And this is to get spots out when you are cleaning. This is just a small size. If you buy the paste, you can use this for about anything to get things out. If you have a stain on your carpet or your clothing, or you can put this and rub it in there and it will take it out. It's great stuff. What else did they send me in this packet? I need my glasses for this one. Hey now. Oh, these are the body and face towels. Okay, and this is in the graphite. And like I said, there's a lot of different colors you can get these in. And they have packages. If you buy certain items, if you have questions, I can tell you about the different packages. But they have different packages. If you buy a complete set, you save quite a bit of money. But your facial towels, you use it to wash your face, get your makeup off, rinse it out, hang it up. Let it self-purify. Good again for the next day. Saves money on doing laundry, which is a biggie for women. I hate every day when I go in, I have to grab a regular towel, and then I have to throw it in the laundry basket with these. There's 4 of them that they sent to. No, they sent me 3. The 3 that they sent me, I'll be able to go in, wash my face, hang it up, let it dry. I got her. Okay, what do we got next? And this thing's getting kind of heavy on one side and not the other. They have sent me some more of the Power Ultra. This is a smaller pack of the Power Plus Ultra laundry detergent. That. Now they have sent me a lot of books. They sent me, I think, about 10 books. Okay, that would be in your packet. So I'm going to set those right there. Here's some more of the books. Pull those out. And then they sent me a bag, which will come in handy dandy for my books and my sales information, or just to keep some of the cleaning supplies in, guys. And it is a zip-up bag. It's pretty cool. Now we've got to get to the heavy stuff. And what's this? Let's see here. They sent me all the information on, I don't know, just small books, just your basic stuff. We won't go into that because I think you want to see the products more. This thing is called the Damp Wet Mop. You get it if you have just want to go over your floor and you want to pick up things kind of like another product out there, but I won't say their name. But with this, you can reuse it. Okay, it's going to attract and clean off all the gunk off your floor if you spilt something. Then you have one that goes on the bottom of this that's a dry. So you can take your brush. Let's say you're going over your floor. Take that rubber brush, clean that off, and it helps that a lot. And then down here below, they have sent me, oh my. Let's see, this is the last item in the box, I do believe. And it is, it's got a little green ball here on the top. This is the attachments for the mop. So you can adjust it to the length you need. And here is the bottom plate for it. I think I probably ought to lay this down. You're going to hear a big boom if it rolls off my lap. Okay, so this slides off here. Somehow. It goes with Velcro, so this is why we're having trouble. But you'll see here, I'll have to take it off later. It's got like a Velcro thing, the pads stick to it, and then on the other side, it just says Norwex, okay? And then it attaches right through here. This thing lifts up. I'm not going to fool with this right now. But anyway, this is the unboxing for the consultant. I would call it gifts. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. And those little masks, they didn't have to throw those masks in. I thought that was a very sweet touch. And I thank them for that. If you would like to be a consultant, this is probably the best time to become one. Norwex is not well known. It does a dynamite job. It will sanitize your house. I'm going to use these EnviroClaws in my car. I'm going to use them on my doorknobs coming in and out of the house. My husband, his office, they will be using those on the doorknobs and on the stair railings going in and out of his office to keep them clean, in the bathrooms, everywhere. I mean, these towels are amazing. So you need to think about your own life and you think, wow, what could I use a cloth that I can put, let me grab it. This EnviroCloth, I'm going to grab it. That I can put water on this. What happens if we can't get any cleaning supplies again? Which is what happened to me last year. And I was worried to death. What if we don't have a way to clean? you have a way to clean right here. All you have to do is get this wet, clean, hang it up to dry, and it will self-sanitize. Wash it once a week, dry it without dryer sheets, and there you go. So I'm going to sign off right now and start unboxing the gold box, the gold package that I got, because I'm really curious what's in it. I'm just swimming in Norwex today, and I'm getting ready to have a party, a couple parties, and but I wanted to show this to you guys in case you would like. I'm going to be putting my link down below. Please click on it. It will take you right to my business. And that way you can go in and you can shop using my link. It'll take you, and here's the cool part about it, you guys. The stuff will come directly to your house. Now, they've got a small delay during the COVID time. They're saying it could take up to 2 weeks to receive the products. So don't sweat. Don't think, oh gosh, what's going on? Why didn't I get it? It's on its way. You can write to me if you're worried. Let me know your concerns. But these products are dynamite, dynamite, dynamite. I plan to go through my car today. I'm going to wipe off the insides of my doors, in the back seat, the steering wheel, the console. I mean, this is endless, you guys. The tables, the stove where I cook. It's going to be a cleaning day. It's kind of dreary outside. So, but anyway, please subscribe below, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.